Hi everyone, welcome back to another Chatguns video. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the GNC radio JKEY-25 portable Morse code street key. This is a compact street key designed for CW operators who want something lightweight, portable, and easy to use. Great for home stations, portable operation, and outdoor activities. Let's open the box. Inside we have the street key itself. It's made of aluminum and stainless steel, giving it a sturdy, durable feel while still being light enough to carry in a backpack or radio bag. Looking closer, you'll see the smooth metal contacts. They provide clean, consistent feedback, which is essential for accurate mouse code timing. Pressing the key feels crisp and responsive, without any unwanted wobble or bounce. It's easy to maintain a steady rhythm even for longer sessions. Its compact size makes it perfect for portable setups, camping, or field operation. The key comes with a built-in cable ending in a 3.5mm mono plug, so it's ready to connect directly to compatible radios or carries without any extra adapters. The cable is flexible but sturdy, long enough for typical setups, so you can operate comfortably without the cord getting in the way. Overall, the K25 is a simple, reliable street key, easy to carry, easy to use, and suitable for both beginners and experienced CW operators. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in next one. 73.